Where are we going now, Forward? Should we do a little...
Should we stay emotional?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll stay emotional. Can you handle a bit more emotional? Yeah. Sure. Have a sit down on the floor if you like.
It's just a sprinkle more of emotional and then we'll go big. We'll go large for Friday night. So this is a song called Through the Night, and this one is for Steve. The day falls away and my eyelids are heavy. My heart, it beats so fast, my sorrow so steady. For each word we shared through spit and despair, there's a million thoughts that fly above our heads and in our dreams. We laugh as we cry. The day so far away, the darkness holding hope. Whisper a wish unknown, an ability to cope. I cannot be sad for the life that we had. I cannot be scared for the time we will share. Let's talk it through, just me and you. Your words keep me alive. The hours count your distant days, go headstrong through the night. I share your dreams, I share your pride, and Lord knows I've tried. The doors will close, but the walls will climb. Always know I'm by your side. The sky will break, the tears